Hi and welcome back to another video in this channel. My name is Martha Makwata and today I'm bringing another new video. Let me just take you to the ingredients of the day. Allah. Come with me as I share with you the ingredients that will go into our fried chicken rice or rice chicken. I don't know. Chicken rice. Fried rice. Okay. So the ingredients that will go into our chicken rice, fried chicken rice with cashew nuts is these carrots, bell peppers, these green bell pepper. We'll have the carrots, and if you notice, all of them are chopped big, chunky ones. And then this chicken that I've steamed, it is optional. You can use steamed or non-steamed. You just start it off at frying. Then we have this bowl of cashew nuts and our boiled rice, which is right here. So for the spices that will go into our chicken, we have the black pepper, which is here. This is the king of my kitchen. Then we have cayenne. I also love cayenne. We have paprika. We have soy sauce. We have, of course, oil to fry and salt to taste. So those are our ingredients. That is exactly what is going into our fried rice right there. We've already added our chicken and cashew nuts into this big pan, as you can see. Let me add in oil. So my yardstick is the cashew nuts. Let me just draw in here and closer. So if you check, most of the cashew nuts are brown, meaning they are ready. So we'll go in with our carrot. Let me bring the carrot. So this is our carrot, and it will go in. So I'll fry it for about a minute, then I'll add in our tomatoes, our onions. Today I'm very alert not to mention ingredients that are not here. So our carrots are in. Just a minute, then we add in our onions that are right here. So we are adding in our onions. At the same time, I will also add in our bell peppers. The green and the red peppers. So I'll fry for about a minute or two, then we move. So this has been cooking for the past say 5 to 7 minutes, just to give the peppers and everything time to cook and be able to assimilate into each other. I don't want to say marry, but I've said it anyway, anyhow. Okay, so I'm going in with my spices just right about now. So this is paprika. I'm putting in this amount. Cayenne pepper. Not so much. There are people who fear heat in this house. Then there's this king of my kitchen, black pepper. Should I really open it? Let me just sprinkle as you see. That should be enough. And I'm adding in a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm getting my tablespoon right away. I don't want to overdo it. So that's our tablespoon of soy sauce. It is in. So I'm frying for about a minute, then we add in our rice. Let's stay tuned. This is how beautiful this has turned out. I hope you're able to see clearly. Yeah. Sometimes the camera does not do justice, but that's how it looks. So we are adding in our rice. So this is our end product. I've mixed in our rice, and as you can see, every ingredient can be seen. Cashew nuts can be seen, our peppers can be seen, our onions can be seen, and that's the essence of it all. So I hope my family will enjoy. We will enjoy on your behalf. I hope I'll remember to take a shot to just share with you how it looks on a plate. So that's our fried rice. Okay, so I've shared with you my recipe for fried rice. I hope you're willing to try it. It is yummy. That one I can confirm. Kindly remember to subscribe, to like the video, comment. Just tell me whether you're willing to try the recipe. So until the next video, bye for now.